Hey guys, so I'm coming at you today with a little bit of a different video. Um, the reason that I'm doing this at all is because you've probably seen, if you're following tech YouTube at all, even Jay's 2 cents video on the SSD issues in Windows. Well, today I actually wanted to make a video about other issues that I'm experiencing since this latest Windows update that are making it just a really frustrating experience to work in Windows. And it's honestly got me thinking about switching to another OS. I talk about it frequently, but everything's built on Windows. Even this video that I'm recording with you guys, I'm still recording on the machine that is having issues because it's my daily driver. It's the thing that I use every day to make videos, edit my content, upload things. It's been up to this point my data recovery rig too. So ultimately, I'm just very frustrated. I'm going to try to get this video out as soon as I can after creating it, just to show you guys how to roll back these updates and not have to deal with the crap that I'm dealing with. So without further ado, let's jump in. We are, I'm going to show you a couple of things here first. The first being that there's a render issue with Microsoft Edge. If you want to follow along on your own computer, if you've got this latest update, you might be experiencing this problem. You might not. I don't know. But it's not just limited to Microsoft Edge, and that's where the problem is for me. So, for example, I am frequently on BestBuy.com because Best Buy is one of the websites that I order parts from for customers. Check this out. You push BestBuy.com and you wait and you wait and you wait, and it takes forever to load up and it just goes to black. But if you click in the address bar, it goes immediately. Okay? We can go to Linus's website. We'll just open a new tab here. We'll go, lttstore.com. Try going there. It doesn't load. It doesn't load until you click in the address bar, and then it loads immediately. And the reason I know there's an issue with this at all is because I have fiber internet. I'm running 1 gig speeds here in Cedar Rapids, and this stuff should be loading instantly. Now, I did try downloading a different browser. Oh yeah, that's another thing too. Currently, I am pressing the start button on my keyboard, which I am so used to doing. It's kind of my everyday, like, you push the start button on the keyboard and it works and it works and it works, but now it doesn't work. This Windows 11 update has caused that to not work either. So, pressing start with my mouse like an ancient cave person, I now have to manually search for the things I want, but I installed Opera GX just so that you guys could get an idea of what's going on. So you open up Opera, you can go to, let's see, lttstore.com, and it doesn't load. You know when it loads? When you press in the address bar. How frustrating is this? Like, you can't do anything without, and it's like, let's go to the Best Buy deal of the day. Oh, well, it's not loading. Okay, click in the address bar, and then it loads. Why is this a problem? Why? This shouldn't be an issue. Well, I'm going to show you today maybe how to fix it. I'm going to try rolling back the latest Windows update and see if it actually resolves the problem. But this is just 2 of the issues that I've experienced so far. If you guys have been experiencing issues greater than this while running this latest Windows update, give me a holler. Let me know what your problems are. I'd be happy to test them out on another computer just running the latest build of Windows. This is ridiculous. So anyway, to actually overcome these issues, and I'm going to see if this will even work. I'm going to do, okay, that does work, but it opened on the wrong screen. Okay, so I open up to the settings. You're just going to do the start button on your keyboard plus I. And then what you'll do is go into, it is Windows Update. And then there should be a recovery and other settings. Yeah, here we go. Reset, go back, and that kind of thing. We're not going to reset the PC because we really don't need to do that. That's kind of like the last ditch effort for this. What we want to do really is just go back. So the go back option is actually grayed out. Cool. Thank you, Microsoft. I cannot uninstall the update. So, not really sure what I'm going to do here. Maybe I'll try doing a rollback of Windows. We'll see if we can do that. Let's do restrui.exe. System restore. Yeah, that's a problem. We'll say next. We'll select C. I don't know if I have a install Corsair. That was on 9.9. Let's choose a different restore point. Show more restore points. Okay. It's important to know that what you're doing is installing the proper update. There's so many Windows updates from 9.1, 9.3, 9.2. These are all Corsair updates, which that's not going to impact anything. Let's go ahead and roll back to before this first Windows update here. We'll say next, and then we're going to complete our system restore. Now this is going to take us offline, so this is where I'm going to have to stop the video and see if this actually resolves my issues. But this is a big deal for me because this is like I said, my daily driver everything computer. And since Windows refuses to let me go back or roll back my updates, which is annoying, I don't know what else to do. That's it. This option is no longer available on this PC for some reason. If you say fix problems, let's see. Yeah, that's not doing anything. So we're just going to go back to the system restore. I'm going to restore my system. We're going to see if this rolls back the update, and if it works, I'll be right back with you guys, and I'll show you exactly that it's changed. That's pretty much it. The Windows update, if it is the Windows update that's causing the problems, we'll know for certain after this. So, I'll be right back. All right, everybody, we're back. Moment of truth test time. Let's see if everything works. So, start button on the keyboard brings up the start menu. Okay, we're good. Let's go back to Edge and let's see how the rendering of the web goes. Well, it brought back a whole bunch of pages that I didn't have up at the time, but that's fine. Let's just try to bring up a new one. Let's go to bestbuy.com. And we render without having to click in the address bar. So, confirmation for you that indeed this does end up working by rolling back the Windows update. Not going to be installing the latest Windows update until something beyond September comes through. Obviously, there's more issues with Windows updating than we originally anticipated. Kind of seems like the Windows update is causing issues with your SSD, causing issues with your browsing if you are trying to browse in pretty much any browser. Let's just try out Opera here real quick too, since we have it. We'll see if it actually, yeah, it's gone now. The system restore actually got rid of Opera as an application, so not a big deal, but I'm just glad that everything is back. Let's close Edge completely, and we'll close this, we'll close YouTube, and we'll just do a quick refresh on this. No. And then we'll say, let's go to, I don't know, lttstore.com, one that was taking forever to load up. And there we go. Rendering right away. So again, guys, skip. Please, if you have a Windows 11 update that is trying to come through for September, skip it. Okay? Skip it. Do not install it. Simply close out of it. Windows will try to force it on you. Just say that you don't want it. It's your choice. Okay? It's your PC. And while it might not seem like it is because they're trying to force it down your throat, you can always roll back like I just did using a system restore. And then everything will start working again. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you have questions about how to do this yourself, please drop them down in the comments. If you're not sure how I actually got to where I was to do the system restore, if you're having these problems, feel free to reach out. Happy to redo this for you, or at least reintroduce you to how I did it. So again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe to this channel. That way you can get more updates like this if something stupid is done by Microsoft again.